Signs Customs is being promoted as a trendy online clothing store with stylish cotton and linen designs at big discounts. But the real question is whether it's actually legit or just another low-trust fashion site. Now, the idea behind this isn't completely fake. The website does sell real clothing items, and the store itself exists online. However, here's the key point. Signs Customs shows multiple warning signs, commonly linked to dropshipping or unreliable fashion stores. There are some surface positives. The site features clean layout and modern product images trendy, minimalist clothing styles, frequent discounts, and bundle offers. But these are easy to replicate and don't guarantee quality. There are several red flags. First, constant heavy discounts. Many items are listed at around 50% off across the entire store, which is a common tactic used to create urgency rather than reflect real value. Second, lack of real reviews. The site itself shows little to no customer feedback, making it hard to verify product quality or delivery reliability. Third, weak brand credibility. There's almost no independent presence, history, or reputation outside the website, which is unusual for a genuine clothing brand. So is Signs Customs real or fake? It's likely a real store that sells products, but not a trustworthy or established brand. The bottom line is this. Signs Customs shows strong signs of generic, marketing-driven clothing site, where the biggest risk is receiving lower-quality items that don't match expectations, along with limited support if something goes wrong. If you're expecting reliable quality, it's safer to proceed with caution or avoid. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.